So this is my first video, and I don't know how to start this, so good luck. One of the things that I want to talk about is sort of a random topic, but what better to talk about in a video blog? I want to talk about the History Channel. More recently, this week in the History Channel, because it's their Armageddon week. So they basically talk about the end of the world in every possible way that they can come up with, whether it be from tsunamis to asteroids to gamma ray bursts from a star 8,000 light years away. It's been getting all very ridiculous. And then they try to tie it in with biblical scripture by saying that they're predicting some sort of catastrophe using the Bible, and then the gamma ray burst that will happen 2,500 years from now is what's going to kill us all, and it's God's will. I'm afraid now. Now, the thing that I dislike about this and what the History Channel has become is that the History Channel used to be a channel that involved facts and hard evidence to support their various specials and whatnot. But now, it has become a haven for fear-mongering and UFO hunters that don't have hard evidence to support their claims. And it's basically gone all downhill from what the History Channel used to be. And this goes along with what's happened to the Discovery Channel. It's basically become the channel for reality shows where they blow things up in slow motion. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, I'd like to tell you about myself and why I decided to start video blogging. So I decided to do this because I wanted a creative release that I could easily do in my spare time. And since I have a lot of spare time right now, during this break, I figured that this could be something easy that I could start now. And whether or not I keep doing it during school is really up for debate right now. So now I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. Right now, I'm a freshman in college. I'm about to start my second semester as an English major. And I chose to be an English major because I like reading and I like doing a lot of different styles of writing. And when I graduate from college, hopefully I'd like to be some sort of writer, whether it be for like a magazine or a newspaper, or maybe even like try to publish a novel. But that's all I have for you academically. So I want to tell you one more quick thing about myself. I normally don't wear these glasses. I'm wearing my glasses right now because it's late at night and I don't like to wear my contacts late at night. So this is what you'll see of me normally when I do my blogs. So hopefully you'll be seeing more of me like this. I just want to thank you guys for watching out there, because I know this is kind of a rough video because it's my first one, and the audio is probably really bad, but I just want to thank you guys for listening and watching, because I really appreciate it. And I hope you like the song that I choose for my ending, so thanks.